What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to free up iMessage storage space on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your settings. There select General and next tap on iPhone storage, wait for a couple of seconds and then scroll down until you find messages. Here it is, go into it and there are all information about how many space messages takes on your device. You can select your top conversations like that. You can go into each conversation and see what exactly takes so much space. Maybe there are some attachments or something like that. And also you can see how many space takes photos. Just tap on photos. There will be all photos from all your conversation. You can tap on photo to see it, and also you can swipe left and tap on delete to delete those photos. Also you can tap on edit to select multiple photos like that, and then once you selected all the photos, just tap there on trash icon to remove all of them. And in the same way you can look and remove GIFs and stickers and others. There is one more thing that you may try is go into your settings and there scroll down to find messages right there, and here scroll down for a bit to find keep messages option and get into it. There you can change how long messages will saved on that device. By default it's set to forever. You can switch it to 1 year or you can switch it to 30 days, and there is a notification, so it asks us if we want to delete older messages. If I tap on delete, all the messages that are older than 30 days will be deleted immediately, so it can save your free space on your device. And also you can enable that option, low quality image mode. So from now your images will take less space on your device. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.